And others, frankly, businesses outside our community. A lot of the universities, for example, will give athletic kind of activities that people can bid on and buy. So it gives people a chance to do that. That in turn then becomes, that's a gift from them. Then the community individuals have a chance to bid on those at silent auction. There are a number of other auctions that are held throughout the evening. There's a simple $5 split the pot, half pot thing where people can spend some money for individual tickets, and then they split the pot. We keep half of it, the winner receives. So just in numerous ways that we've tried to come up with to help raise some money to again benefit the community.
I'm principal at Coolamy Elementary School in the Davie County Schools. The Davie Community Foundation has been extremely generous to us over the last 4 or 5 years in helping support our summer reading program. We try to have that focused intervention for students, that time of small groups with teachers working with them, and the growth that we see there, both academically and the human growth, the personal growth, the confidence that it brings out in children that will carry them, and we'll see the effects of that well beyond that summertime. So we're delighted and so appreciative of what they do at our school and at the other Davie County schools as well. There are lots of different things, whether it's remediation programs, whether it is the challenge programs, just lots of different areas that the foundation has been the big benefactor for.
Here we go! 1, 2, 3, swim! Do the backstroke! Grab your nose and go down! Get there! Get on there! Watching every move on her face. She said, hey, what's your game, baby? Are you trying to put me in shame? I said, no, don't do so bad. Don't you make the love you last. Oh, wait, now that I'm here, notice so much joy. I long for those young days with a girl like you. With a girl like you. God knows there are things we can do, baby. 7, 8, 9. I've got 10 ways to love you much.
Davie Community Foundation to me is especially important in that all of the scholarship particular, that's the prime interest for me. The scholarship opportunities for students are all housed, if the donors so choose, within one organization. And then the association, of course, the foundation works with those individual students to help them succeed through scholarships. Other kinds of grants, we of course give grants to schools, and I think you've heard evidence of that and those kinds of positive things that go on in our individual schools during the summer vacation period where students normally wouldn't have an opportunity to do that. So those things are especially important, and I think it's an investment back in our community, and we benefit in the long run.
This foundation has benefited so many lives, mostly young people, to help them advance their education. Ideal opportunity for people to leave a legacy for a family member. Ideal opportunity for a company that wants to sponsor a specific kind of activity. I'm a trustee here at our local hospital, so if there was a group that wanted to sponsor a young person to lead them into the health sciences field, ideal place to put dollars to grow that can be used for scholarship income. The more we invest in these kinds of activities and support these young people as they try to advance their life, their career, many of them come back and They in turn invest back in our community. Those people go on to, they become your community leaders. They coach your Little League teams. They lead your Sunday school classes. Can't think of a better place to invest in our greatest natural resource. And I think that's our young people, our future leaders.
You know, we stress over Sounds of Summer because it is our main fundraiser, but it always comes through, and we stressed over weather this year. It's worked out fine so far, and I think people are really having a good time, and it makes us, gives us a lot of joy that people have enjoyed themselves, and when this event's over, we'll all be tired and wore out, but I think it'll be a real positive thing for Davie County.
I hope